Hey everybody, welcome to Life of Sunny Lee. And I am running a little late this week. Usually I get this out on Friday or Saturday at the latest, but this one is even later. And I don't know if it was the hot weather or whether I just wore out or whether I was coming down with something or what, but I had a hard time getting motivated to do things this week. And half the things on my list did not get done. A week ago Saturday, we went up to our oldest son and helped do some maintenance around his house, and spent all day doing that. And Sunday we went to church. And came home and worked on that swing we were putting up in the balcony. We got that up, but you needed the step stool to get up into it because the ceiling up there is taller than the ceiling from where it was at. So we had to go and get new chains and put new chains on it. And these chains have been on it for about 30 some odd years, so it was probably time to get new chains anyway. And we went to the gym 3 times, and I changed up my routine on the gym a little bit, made it a little bit more difficult. And this hot weather has caused a lot of extra work to do. You have to make sure the animals have plenty of water, cool, cold water. You have to make sure the houseplants have water. I have to think of water them twice this week. The garden, I had to water the outside beds because we haven't had any rain. Had turned on the irrigation system almost daily to get the greenhouses irrigated. So it's been a lot of work, extra work that way. Plus we had a raccoon problem in the chicken park, and finally did catch the raccoon, and our neighbor took care of that for us. Now I have an opossum eating the cat food. But he seems to be friendly. I walked around, I heard something crunching on the food, and I walked around the corner, and he just stared at me and just kept on eating as if, like, what are you doing here? I belong here. So I just turned around and left. There wasn't that much food left, a couple pieces, so I figured it wasn't worth chasing him away and risking any danger, so I just left him. And Saturday, well, our oldest son had a wisdom tooth taken out, so my husband drove back and forth, taking care, help with that. And Saturday, our son came down and spent the weekend with us, and we went to trivia night at the church. And that has basically been the week. It's not been much. So hopefully you're staying cool. At least our air conditioning's working again and stuff. And all the animals have managed to make it through this first week of hot weather. We did get a little bit of rain, so hopefully we'll get some more rain. So like I said, it's been a quick little week. Not much to report, not much done. But hopefully next week I'll get a little bit more done. So remember, like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Dream big and follow that dream. Bye everybody.